I picked up my homeschool stuff today. So exciting. I was gonna do an unwrapping video, but then I unwrapped it with a friend, and so maybe now I'll do a repacking and show you while I repack. So my first order was from christianbook.com. I have 2 spelling power workbooks. The spelling power book is actually on back order, so yeah, one for Austin, one for Luke. That will go in. Oops. Yikes. Language lessons for today from My Father's World. I'm a little disappointed this is not bound, like spiral bound like the other ones, but yeah. LA. And we got Handwriting This Coming Year by Zayner Blozer. Looks nice and colorful. One for Luke, one for Austin. These are thicker than I expected and wider. There. And I got Callie a little preschooler's Bible. So some simpler stories. It's about this thick. And what I'm most excited about here is my teacher's manual. It tells me step by step what to do. Gives me a sample schedule, and I just have to fill in the blanks there for English and math, because you pick your own math and English. I'll keep that one for later. So I ended up with an extra passport, but I got Callie, Luke, and Austin all a passport. So what we're gonna do is exploring countries and cultures, and so we're gonna travel. So we got these little passports for stamps. Yeah, and this I'm not quite sure yet what this is, but some kind of supplement. I'll put that away. And then I got 2 packages of student sheets, one for Luke, one for Austin. And this is my kindergarten student sheets, significantly thicker than the other 2. Although I don't think I will start Callie this year quite yet. So this is one of the books that I'm very excited about, Kingdom Tales. It's like full of allegory, or I don't know if it's one story or several stories, but it's like an allegory. And we got some We Sing Around the World. It's really neat. It has different songs from different countries, and I don't know if you can tell, but there is the Netherlands right there with alle eentjes. So that'll be interesting. Got another globe and some fast facts, math. Guess you fill in the holes on a piece of paper, you turn it around, and they get the answer. Window on the World, an Operation World Prayer resource. So I believe my friend Renee told me that you go through this and then you will spend some time praying for different countries. So I guess this could be considered the social studies or part of it. And then here's a classroom atlas by Rand McNally. Nice and colorful. Got some art around the world. I guess I should start packing this stuff out. Exploring World Geography. I guess that speaks for itself as part of geography. Huh. I wonder if I should have ordered 2 of these or not. Guess we'll keep it to the side. This would be biology, I guess, or chemistry and ecology, it says. Looks pretty exciting to me. But everything looks more exciting to me than the boys. A trip around the world. Bringing cultural awareness to your classroom with activities across the curriculum. Okay. Oh, and another trip around the world. Must be part 2. This is a world map. Here's some more biology. An Osborne book. It's always full of color. Very nice. Geography from A to Z. A picture glossary. This part of what I like about My Father's World is there's just so many resources that they provide. I know that these are the people is this the people? I'll have to check it out, but yeah, David and Marie Hazel. They are behind the My Father's World curriculum. Excuse me. Hero Tales, a family treasury of true stories from the lives of Christian heroes. I know Menno Simons is in this book too. Yeah. And this is a big children's atlas of God's world. Pretty big and sweet book. Nice and colorful. So exciting. Very exciting. So that one will go in. So some of my books did come a little damaged, like Kingdom Tales, the one that I was so excited about before. Look at this. It's so sad. There's like holes in it. That's a little bit disappointing, but that's okay. So this animal search book is actually a hardcover. I did not expect that. Very nice. We have a few of these, one with bugs and one with people, but this one is with animals. There. Then we have fun with easy origami. I think the boys will enjoy that. Put that in there. And the complete book of animals. It's more like a workbook. They recommended getting one for each student, but I think we're just gonna have to share somehow. It's a thick one. And then we have our currency kit. This has different types of money in there, different cultures or different countries with different monies. Sorry, it's very late. I need to go to bed. I wanted to do this a lot earlier, but okay. And then we have the ultimate sticker book, Flags of the World. Oh, this is so my thing. Here's all the different stickers, all the different countries. So exciting. And lastly, we have maps and globes. Looks like a storybook, but informative. Yeah, so that's all our material for the next year. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. Oh, I forgot to show you these. These are also Christian hero stories like George Mueller, and then we have Nate Saint, Amy Carmichael, Gladys Aylward, David Livingston, and Cameron Townsend. There's a few here that I'm not familiar with, but I guess we'll study them in the next year or two.